Good morning. It is yet another Monday morning. We have a lovely transporter in. I've already started. I got a bit of a head start. Say a head start. I've just put a wheel cleaning, ready to go. Doing the arches, doing the decon, and then we'll get her in for a minor paint correction, and then Wax is Dead Ultimate Plus ceramic coatings. Wheel coatings, glass coatings. I think that's it, to be honest. Try to get the angle around another car. Yeah, should be good. I've got this one in for 3 days ish, roughly. It is a big machine. It has been resprayed because it had issues with the paint prior. It has been before. We took some PPF off the arches and it just peeled the paint because someone didn't paint it properly. I'm not going to go into it. So yeah, we'll crack on. Yeah, that's it really. There's not much to it. It's just a minor correction and coating. So yeah, cool. So we've got the transporter in, it's deconned, so tar remover, fallout remover, clay barred, to get rid of all the contamination before we start polishing. Now this car has been painted recently, I'm going to say in the last 6 months. It's got painters, buffers marks, it's got couple of swirl marks, it's got sanding marks, you name it, it's got it. It's to be expected. As I've said before, painters aren't vehicle refinishers. That's our job. I can't paint a car, they can't detail a car, vice versa. So I'm going to take you around, show you a couple of defects. It is now 12:30. So it's taken us from 9 AM till 12:30 to decon it. That's how long the process takes to do these things right. We can't do the polishing side without doing the decon, and we can't do the ceramic without the decon and the polishing. Makes sense. So yeah, I'll take you around, show you some B-roll of defects, and then we'll get into the polishing.